Healthy soil is the foundation of every farm. Yet, industrial methods and climate stress have weakened the microbial network on which crops depend. That's where Rootella Mycorrhizal Inoculants come in, a biological platform powered by mycorrhizal fungi. As nature's connectors, they integrate with plants to restore soil vitality and improve yields, fertilizer efficiency, and stress resistance. Mycorrhizal fungi attach to roots, extending their reach up to 100 times. They unlock nutrients, improve water access, and collaborate with microbes to build a thriving rhizosphere underground and resilient crops above. With Rootella, there is no such thing as unavailable phosphorus. Mycorrhizae release bound P, helping plants absorb it so fertilizer delivers more ROI and less waste. They also enrich fields by generating organic matter season after season. Rootella forms an underground resilience layer that strengthens plants against drought, heat, salinity, and nutrient stress. Mycorrhizae are more than another biological. They lay the groundwork for long-term prosperity with a platform that restores soil health to boost yields, stress resistance, and ROI. Rootella Mycorrhizal Inoculants. Resilient plants, fertile soil, abundant harvests. Let your ground work.